allons voir. Yes. Now, good morning. Many people know they look this wood. Many people know they look this wood. No, they look my eye. I come when I wait. Make una share the video, make it viral. Make una share the video, make it viral. If not today be your first day where they come press in the quotation bet. I know so many people waiting for here, they know me. Una know me very well. You get one of our baba where they try. One of our baba where take 14 days senior, 14 days night senior me. Oh. This our baba. Many of us they see her for mirror. Many of us they see her. Many of us don't know her for grand. This our baba. Many people know her. Many people they see her for Europe here. They see her for mirror. Waiting they call social media. And many people when you know this our baba, they know her for us. Many people know her. This our baba. Now our baba all of una know. Una no see any pikin. Any papa where they do good thing for the land when I for come. I do so much they like the kind baba. This baba, I never mention a name. Oh, if una know a name, make una the right for there. One for know whether una know this baba. Many of una they see from mirror. This na baba where they try with me as this is when I they see him. They try. They say this life what would they so? A person they do what they sweet you. You go dey see him, you go dey happy. This our baba, it take 14 days, take senior me. Why I talk and say na 14 days, it take senior me. Now the same month where they call April, on the 1st of April, and they born this man. This man when I dey talk so, all of una know am. One of una know am, I go tell you his name now. When you wait, I go tell you his name. So this our baba, na Chief Izobo, wey come from Edo State. He say when I come tell all of una, say he don take another new year, he wan take and join year on the 1st of April. If you be man when he dey there, you be woman when he dey there, abeg, I want to make you press the quotation bet. Make you press the following and make you viral the video, make it reach viral hand. You not too much need anything for now. What you need for now? Make una join happy. The place when you want for happy, where you want to do this, where you want to celebrate this show for inside Benin. Now where 5 finger dey for Benin. I know so many of our people don't know where 5 finger dey for Benin. So if you want, when you know the meaning of 5 finger, where dey for Benin, you go call me. So our Papa Izobo, I know say now the 1st. Now be your birthday, but from today, me they wish you happy birthday. Baba, you be better Baba when I like. You be Baba when they try. You be Baba when know, say you go be your brother's keeper. You be Baba when know, say if anything they hurt your brother, it they hurt you. Since when I know you Baba Izobo, we come waiting for Edo State. I see the work where they do. Our brother where they hunt themselves, they go, where they fight themselves, they go. I can't see the work where you stand for. That kind of people, we know as community want to good, as community want to move forward. Now you be. Now I can wish you happy birthday in advance today. My people, if you there for Benin, you be man way there for Benin, you be man way there for Europe. Una good morning, God go bless una for morning, He go bless una for evening as una take see this video. Muna no mind me. I supposed to greet our papa, greet our mama when I dey start video. I forget. Pikin will not get character wey come for bush. Una no say na bush I for come. Make una share the video, make it viral. Una no say this one I never done before. Happy birthday. I see where people they do, and I say, this kind man where they try for Benin, we no want me anything hurt the brother or me hurt the family. This kind man, me myself personally, new generation prophet Atiti, I can't tell you now. Today, from today they wish a happy birthday. On the first, me go see come and come wish a happy birthday. I said when I can't notify now, when I can't notify now. Say one of our big brother will come for Benin, we there for Benin State, Edo State. Dr. Izobo Agmonlaho. He dey select the birthday on the first. He dey select on the first. He say if you be man wey dey for inside Benin, you be woman wey dey for inside Benin. He say me come and select the birthday, celebrate the birthday, na be select on the first of April. We want for celebrate the birthday so now where 5 finger dey for inside Benin, where they call Ring Road. He get as he called the place yesterday, una no say anything wey they talk for Oyibo, they ask me. He get as he talk Rayo Mambo or me, I go learn am again, I go learn am. Rayo Mambo for Ring Road. He get as he take call am. You know say na new, they know they give Benin name for Edo again. Anything what they want to do now, they know they give Benin name again. Now Oyibo name. Now they give. So I beg, make una call. Who get the number? Make una ask exactly the place for Ring Road. Me and here when he talk, I say Rayo Mambo, my tie. Because if not Benin, they tell me. If not Benin, I tell no say that they call that place. I go mention am for Benin name. So as I don't know for Benin name, if you reach Ring Road, any man when he go that birthday on the 1st of April, when we want to go follow and celebrate happy day, I beg, if you reach Ring Road, you go see people where they waka, you go see some people when you wear white shirts, where they wear white shirts. I dey come and look whether I go see the man, when I show now. The type of dress you want to go see that day. If you not see this kind of dressing for road, people wey dress like this. I beg, make una waka follow the people for back. Small. Where the enter, na go follow the enter there. Na there want for celebrate the birthday. Where 5 finger there for Benin, na there want for celebrate am. This our papa Izobo Agmonlaho, Chief Izobo Agmonlaho. A daughter of our time. So make una no verse. Any I take deliver this message. I never deliver and finish on the 1st of April. The man, when I say it take 14 years, senior me, 14 days. Una no say my own on the 15th. My birthday now on the 15th. This man now on the 1st. So now only the man when I just see from now, wait take 14 days, senior me. Well, not just. I go wish an happy birthday, Papa Izobo Agmonlaho. Happy birthday in advance. So if you be man wey dey there, you be woman wey dey there. I beg. Now man go follow you wish your happy birthday. Now woman go follow you wish your happy birthday. Woman go follow you wish your happy birthday. We be 49 for year. Is this 49 share am? People wey no hear say this man want do birthday, all of them go hear. I never come wish am happy birthday now. I come wish am happy birthday in advance on the 1st. Now be the birthday. I beg. You be man wey like better thing, you be woman wey like better thing, press like and love. This one no be fight with the fight now. We dey celebrate. And we want follow our brother celebrate the birthday on the 1st of April. I beg. If you be man wey dey there, you be woman wey dey there. Any I take talk now. Now on the 1st we want celebrate am. I never wish an happy birthday now, but I dey wish an happy birthday in advance. I beg, if you see this video, make you viral this video, make you share am. The hand way to stay share am. The hand now better thing go enter for your house. Now good thing go enter for your house. If you dey put am for something, it go dey good. Anything wey you dey do for your life, it go dey go smoothly. They say who follow person happy, Then they follow appeal. If you did yes, so now you never share the video. I bet further the video, make press the notification bell, may press the following, may press the like your thing. God bless all of you now. It go better for now for money, it go better for now for evening. No say anyway, you know say early morning, I'm gonna chop my breakfast. This now so they take the chop man. So make you know the look this one when I the chop. Make you the look what I show you. This man Agmonlao want do birthday. Chief Izobo Agmonlao want do birthday on the 1st of April. So if you see this video, make you viral for me, make it reach viral hands. Make you press the notification bell and make you press the following. I beg not to forget, so on the 14th, New Generation Prophet Atiti go still do a birthday. If you never subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show, make you subscribe. Now there I want to celebrate my birthday. God go bless all of you for money, go bless you for everything. We will see on the 1st, we will come Abatazan, we will come celebrate that on the 1st. Now the month where they born me, I no go come up for us, I go follow and celebrate this birthday, I go follow and Bopora. I not there for Bini, I there for travel. But the travel when I dey, I go follow and celebrate at that day, I no go come up for us. The place when he measure for Ring Road, I don't know the name, you know, say na Oyibo they give name to everything now, Bini people. So if you go for Ring Road, when you try make you look at any man wey wear this kind of shirt, wey put this kind of bead, he put this kind of bead for neck, make you suffer follow him for back. You suffer follow the man for back. Anywhere that man enter there, now there is Izobo Agmonlao want celebrate his birthday. Thank you very much. Now goodbye.